Hello, science fans! Let's talk about something amazing, something you use every single day. Computers. Think about it. When you wake up, your alarm clock might be a small computer. The phone in your pocket? That's a super powerful computer. It lets you talk to friends, play games, and learn about our world. Computers are not just big boxes on desks anymore. They are all around us, helping us in ways we don't even notice. They are in our cars, our kitchens, and even our toys. It's truly remarkable when you stop and think about it, isn't it? These amazing machines help us do so many things. Do you want to watch a movie? A computer helps you stream it to your screen. Do you need to do your homework? A computer helps you find information and write your reports. They help doctors see inside our bodies to find out what's wrong. They help farmers grow more food for everyone to eat. So what's next? Let's look into the future, say 10 years from now. By about 2035, the computers we use will be so much smarter and faster. Imagine your phone being able to understand you not just by what you say, but by how you say it. It might know if you are happy or sad and help you accordingly. Our devices will become better assistants. They will help us plan our days. They will help us manage our tasks. They will find information before we even ask for it. It's like having a personal helper who knows you really, really well. Self-driving cars will become a much more common sight on our roads. These aren't just cars, they are robots on wheels, powered by incredibly advanced computers. These computers can see the world around them, making millions of decisions every second to keep you safe. Now let's jump ahead 20 years to around 2045. This is where things get really interesting. The changes won't just be about faster gadgets, they will change the very fabric of our society. Computers will be so intelligent, they will become our partners in solving some of the world's biggest problems. Think about climate change, finding cures for diseases. Super smart computers could analyze huge amounts of data to find solutions that humans might miss. They will be our collaborators in building a better future for everyone. Robots will be a much bigger part of our daily lives. Homes, schools, hospitals. There could be helper robots for the elderly, making sure they can live independently and safely. There could be robots that help clean our cities and robots that deliver packages right to our doorsteps. These robots will be designed to work alongside people, taking on tasks that are dangerous, difficult, or just plain boring. All right, let's take a giant leap 50 years into the future, to the 2070s. This is deep science territory, where the world might look very different from today. Computers will likely be so powerful and so small that they will be woven into everything. Imagine clothes that can monitor your health and change temperature to keep you comfortable. Imagine buildings made of materials that can repair themselves, all controlled by tiny networked computers. The line between the physical world and the digital world could become very blurry indeed. It's a future that is hard to picture, but fun to think about. We might have what is called the Internet of Everything. Today we have the Internet of Things, where devices are connected. In the future, everything could be connected. Every object, every surface, maybe even our own bodies, through safe bio-integrated sensors. This would create a seamless flow of information. So, how are computers getting so smart? It's not magic, it's science. One of the biggest ideas is called machine learning. It's a way of teaching computers. Instead of giving the computer a long list of rules to follow, we give it a lot of examples. For instance, if you want a computer to know what a cat looks like, you show it thousands and thousands of pictures of cats. The computer starts to find patterns on its own. It learns what catness is. This is how computers are learning to see, listen, and understand our world. Another big part of this is something called neural networks. Scientists were inspired by the human brain. Our brain has billions of tiny cells called neurons that are all connected. A neural network in a computer is a bit like that. It has layers of digital neurons that pass information to each other. When the computer learns from examples, it strengthens the connections between some neurons and weakens others. Let's think about how these super smart computers will change important parts of our lives. Take schools, for example. Learning will become personal for every single student. A computer tutor, powered by artificial intelligence, can understand exactly what you know and what you are struggling with. It can give you problems that are just right for you, not too hard and not too easy. Hospitals and healthcare will be transformed. Imagine doctors having an AI assistant that can look at a patient's medical scans and instantly spot signs of disease that a human eye might miss. This will lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. Computers will also help us create new medicines much faster. They can simulate how different drugs will affect the body, saving years of research. Robots could even perform surgery with incredible precision, guided by a human surgeon. This will make healthcare safer and more effective for everyone. With all this amazing new technology, there are so many good things to look forward to. We call these the positive impacts. Computers could help us solve huge problems like hunger by making farming more efficient. They could help us stop climate change by managing our energy use perfectly. They could help us cure diseases like cancer. They could help us cure diseases like Alzheimer's. Our lives could become easier, healthier, more exciting. We could have more time for fun, for art, for exploring our universe. The potential for good is truly immense. However, we also have to be very careful. There are some not-so-good things or negative impacts that we need to think about. A big one is privacy. If computers and sensors are everywhere, they will be collecting a lot of information about us. Who gets to see that information? How is it used? We need to make sure our personal information stays safe and is not used in ways we don't like. Now for the really fun part. Let's use our imaginations. What are some cool inventions that might exist in the future, thanks to advanced computers? How about a universal translator? Imagine wearing a small earpiece that instantly translates any language you hear into your own. You could have a conversation with anyone in the world, no matter what language they speak. It would bring people from different cultures closer together than ever before. What about dream recorders? A classic science fiction idea. A device that could gently scan your brain while you sleep and create a video of your dreams. You could watch them back when you wake up. Share your most amazing dream adventures with your friends. Let's think bigger. How about personalized fabricators? Like a super advanced three-dimensional printer. You could design almost anything you want on a computer. A toy, a tool, a new pair of shoes. This machine would build it for you right in your home. So, we've been on a journey from the computers of today to the incredible possibilities of tomorrow, from smart homes to colonies on Mars. Why does all of this matter to you right now? It matters because this future is not just going to happen on its own. It will be built by people like you. The world is changing faster than ever before, and understanding technology is the key to understanding the world you will live in. It's like learning to read a map for the future. Learning about computers is not just for scientists or engineers. It helps you think critically and solve problems. It helps you be creative. When you learn how computers work, you learn how to build things, how to test ideas, and how to turn your imagination into reality. These are skills you can use in any job. Whether you become an artist, you are growing up in the most exciting time in human history.